Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. Today I'm gonna show you how you can earn $1,000 affiliate commission in 2020 really easily. Anyone can do this, and this is really simple method, and the program which you are going to promote with this method is really very trusted. Okay, so now let's jump into the content without wasting any of your time. I will show you the entire thing, so watch this video till the end, step by step tutorial on how to make money online. So you just have to take action as what I am showing in this video, and you can definitely make money. Okay, so just pay close attention. Now first of all we need to do is go to Google search bar, and I'll be typing here audiobook. Okay, so you can see here is an audiobook of this novel which is Emma. Okay, so this is one of the classic novel which is really very famous. Okay, and why I am searching this novel is because that people have just made a video on this novel of Emma, and see audiobook. Okay, so what they have done is that they have got the audiobook of this novel and they have uploaded it onto YouTube. Okay, but they are not, this channel cannot be monetized. Okay, so they must have, if they want to earn money with this, they should have provided here link of Amazon links. Okay, Amazon links which are related to this book. Okay, so this is the mistake which they are making. Okay, they are not earning money. They can also earn affiliate commission by creating this type of videos. So I will show you how you can create this type of videos, and from where you will find audiobooks. All this stuff will be shown to you. Let me search in another channel and I will show you what I am exactly talking about. Okay, so Wuthering Heights. Let's search for the novel known as Wuthering Heights audiobook. Okay, so see, this is the Wuthering Heights audiobook. All they have done is that they have created this poster and then just placed the audio in this video. Okay, it is really a long video, almost 6 hours long. Okay, and what they are doing is that they are doing affiliate marketing over here. See, they are promoting affiliate audiobook affiliates. Okay, affiliates of Amazon Audible. Okay, and they are also selling this book. Okay, over here, so you can see that they are making all the money doing this simple method by uploading this audiobooks on YouTube and promoting the books and promoting affiliate links of these books over here. And this method really works, and many of the people are searching for audiobooks of various genres, various categories. So these are really famous books which are available on this website, which I'm gonna reveal you. Okay, this is the website which is known as librarybox.com. In this website you can find innumerable public domain audiobooks which you can use. Okay, and download. Let's search for Emma, and let's search for, because Emma is really a very famous classic novel. Many of you may have written it. So here it is. See, Emma by Jane Austen. Okay, so from here you can download this. Okay, so see, all the chapters of this audiobook are given over here. Now all you have to do is download this audiobook and create a video just like this. Okay, just place one image in the background and just audio. Okay, now to create this type of video you require one of the software which I'm gonna show you. Okay, so OPEN. Okay, OpenShot. So to create this type of video you need this software which is known as OpenShot Video Editor. Using this software you can create this type of videos really very easily. Okay, and you can place background. Okay, so where will you find the background for this video? So now let me show you a website. Pixabay.com. So this is the website from where you can find any of the background which you are going to put on in your video, which you are going to create video just like this. Okay, and what you are going to sign up is for Audible of affiliate program, which is Amazon's Audible affiliate program, as well as Amazon's affiliate Amazon Associates affiliate program. Okay, so you are just going to sign up for both of this program and provide links in the description of particular audiobooks. Okay, and you can start making money out of this method, because this thing is really good. And you can see that this keyword Wuthering Heights has a very high search volume as well as very low competition, because not more videos are uploaded regarding this. So you can just upload some unique audiobooks on the internet and really start making some affiliate commission doing this simple strategy or simple method. And you don't this channel won't be monetized, but there is no need to monetize, because you can earn really good money using Amazon audiobook affiliate programs as well as Amazon's own affiliate program. You can really start making up to $1,000 every single day doing this really easy stuff. All you need is a computer, this software which is known as OpenShot Video Editor, one of the background images, and audio which you can download from this website which is known as LibriVox.com. Okay, now to search for some famous books, you can just search for just go to Google and search for famous public domain books. Okay, just search for this thing and you will find many of the book titles over here. See, all these book titles are available over here. And just what you can do is you can just search all these books on LibriVox.com and just find and you will find audio books of almost all these books, and you can just start uploading this type of videos on YouTube doing simple things. Okay, so all these books are available which are in public domain, with which you can create a video and upload it on YouTube. So this is really something which is going to earn you very good amount of money. What I am practically saying that if you are consistently doing this method for 1 to 2 months, you can really easily start making $1,000 every single month as affiliate commission passively doing this really simple method. All you need to do is create this type of YouTube channel and create this type of videos. If you don't know how to create videos using OpenShot Video Editor, all you need to do is go to YouTube and search for how to create videos on OpenShot Video Editor, and you can learn it. It is really easy, the easiest one of video editing softwares which you can use. Okay, and you can start creating so many videos out of it and growing a channel just like this and making affiliate commission by providing links in the description. As you are promoting Amazon affiliate program, Amazon is the most trusted affiliate program in the world, so people are really going to buy this, and really you are going to get a very high conversion rate if you are promoting something which is from Amazon, because everybody knows and everybody trusts Amazon. So this is one of the best benefit. You may get low commissions, but you can sell in very big volumes in Amazon, and then you can earn really good money utilizing Amazon. So this is really something which is really a great thing, and people really trust Amazon as well as Audible, because both are programs of Amazon. Okay, so don't worry, just take action. You can really make $1,000 every single month passively in commissions. That's really easy with Amazon Associates program. Anyone can do this from almost anywhere in the world, and this is really interesting and this is really easy for anyone. Even the 14-year-old, 15-year-old or 13-year-old can do this method, and it takes almost 10 to 20 minutes. Okay, and you can start making money with this method. All you need to do is invest 10 to 20 minutes of yours every single day and create this type of video and upload it to YouTube. This is really easy. Okay, so take action. Really, if you want to make money, then just take action on this method. As well as I want to tell you that I have created almost 100 plus videos on this channel which teaches you about how to make money online, how to earn online, affiliate marketing, and online business. All this stuff is available on my channel, so do check out other videos on my channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.